Drinking clove water every day might be the simplest habit that completely transforms your body, but what it does inside you is far more intense than anyone expects. In today's video, we're breaking down exactly what happens inside your body when you drink clove water every single day and why so many people notice changes so quickly. You'll see how something this simple can have such a big impact on how you feel, how you digest food, how much energy you have, and how your body functions from the inside out. And make sure you watch until the end, because one of the benefits is rarely talked about, but it's one of the strongest. Let's get started. Number 1. Your digestion gets a major upgrade. Most people don't realize this, but your digestion is the first thing that reacts when you start drinking clove water daily. Cloves contain a natural compound called eugenol, and this tiny ingredient acts almost like a reset button for your stomach. It relaxes the digestive tract just enough to stop cramping, gas, and bloating, but not enough to slow things down. Another thing clove water does is stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes are what help your body break down food more efficiently. So instead of food sitting in your stomach for hours and causing that heavy, uncomfortable feeling, it gets processed the way it's supposed to. People who drink clove water daily often say they feel lighter after meals, and that's not in their imagination. That's their digestive system finally working like a well-oiled machine. And because cloves have strong antibacterial properties, they help fight off harmful bacteria living in the gut. This helps reduce indigestion, stomach pain, and even food-related infections. If you're someone who struggles with constant bloating or slow digestion, clove water doesn't just help. It feels like a miracle. And this is just the first benefit. Number 2, your blood sugar becomes more stable. If your blood sugar swings up and down all day, you feel tired, hungry, and moody, even if you're eating well. Cloves can help fix that. Studies have shown that cloves can improve insulin sensitivity. In simple terms, that means your body uses insulin more effectively, so sugar doesn't stay floating around in your blood for too long. This leads to fewer energy crashes and fewer cravings. Another big reason clove water helps your blood sugar is because it slows down the breakdown of carbs in your digestive system. When carbs break down slower, sugar enters your bloodstream at a steady pace instead of spiking quickly. That's why people who drink clove water daily often notice they don't get those sudden cravings for sweets or snacks anymore. Their blood sugar is more balanced throughout the day. And if you're someone trying to lose weight, keeping your blood sugar stable is one of the most important steps. High blood sugar makes your body store more fat. Stable blood sugar does the opposite. It helps your body release stored fat for energy. Clove water won't replace healthy eating, but it will support your metabolism in a powerful way and make your weight loss journey a lot smoother. Number 3, your metabolism gets a strong boost. This is the benefit people get the most excited about, and for good reason. Clove water supports your metabolism in several ways at the same time. First, it improves digestion, which makes your metabolism more efficient. The faster and smoother your body processes food, the easier it is to burn calories without feeling tired or heavy. Second, cloves help your blood sugar stay stable. When blood sugar is stable, your body burns more fat for energy instead of storing it. Most people notice they feel more energetic throughout the day. No midday crashes, no sudden cravings, and no sluggish feeling after meals. That's your metabolism working the way it's supposed to. And third, cloves help reduce inflammation. Inflammation slows down your metabolism, makes weight loss harder, and causes water retention. By lowering inflammation, clove water helps your body function at its best, which makes everything, from energy levels to fat burning, easier. Number 4, your immune system gets stronger than ever. Clove water works like a natural shield for your body. Cloves are one of the highest antioxidant spices in the world. Antioxidants are your body's bodyguards. They protect you from harmful particles called free radicals that damage cells and make you age faster, get sick more often, and feel low on energy. With clove water, you're basically giving your immune system better armor every day. One of the standout benefits of cloves is that they contain vitamin C and other natural compounds that help your body fight infections. This is why people in many cultures use cloves when they feel a cold coming on. Clove water fights off unwanted bacteria, supports your white blood cells, and helps you recover faster if you're already feeling weak or sick. But here's something most people don't know. Cloves also have antiviral and antifungal properties. That means they don't just support your immune system. They help your body directly fight off viruses, yeast, and fungi that try to take advantage when your immunity is low. Drinking clove water daily is like giving your immune system a small but powerful boost every single morning. Number 5. Your liver starts cleansing more efficiently. Your liver is like your body's cleaning station. It filters out toxins, chemicals, and everything your body doesn't need. But when your liver gets tired or overloaded, you feel it. You feel sluggish, heavy, low energy, and sometimes even moody. Clove water gives your liver a push in the right direction. Eugenol, the same compound that helps digestion, also protects liver cells from damage. Studies suggest that cloves help reduce inflammation in the liver and improve the way it processes toxins. This means your liver becomes better at removing waste products, breaking down fats, and keeping your metabolism healthy. And because cloves support liver detoxification, many people notice clearer skin, better digestion, less bloating, and more natural energy. When your liver is working right, everything in your body works better. If you've been feeling tired or sluggish lately, this benefit alone makes clove water worth adding to your daily routine. Number 6. Your inflammation levels drop dramatically. One of the most powerful and underrated effects of clove water is how strongly it reduces inflammation. Most people walk around with low-grade inflammation without even realizing it. It shows up as joint stiffness, headaches, fatigue, bloating, or that overall heavy feeling in the body. Cloves contain potent anti-inflammatory compounds that help calm all of that down from the inside out. Eugenol, the main active ingredient in cloves, works almost like a natural pain reliever. It helps block inflammatory pathways in the body, which means less swelling, less discomfort, and better mobility. People with joint pain, muscle soreness, or chronic inflammation often feel noticeable relief after drinking clove water consistently. And because inflammation affects everything, your heart, your digestion, your skin, your energy, lowering it leads to better overall health. When inflammation goes down, your body can finally focus on healing, repairing, and functioning normally. This is one of those benefits that slowly builds over time. And then one day, you realize you feel lighter, more flexible, and more comfortable than you have in months. Number 7. Your hormones start finding their balance. This is the benefit almost nobody talks about, but it's a big one. Clove water can help balance hormones naturally, especially for women. Cloves contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that support the endocrine system, the system responsible for hormone production. When your hormones are out of balance, you experience mood swings, fatigue, breakouts, and even trouble sleeping. Clove water helps bring things back to a steady rhythm. Another big reason cloves help with hormone balance is because they support the liver. Your liver is actually one of the main organs responsible for breaking down hormones and removing the excess. When the liver works well, your hormones stay more stable. That's why people often report better mood, better sleep, and fewer hormonal symptoms after drinking clove water consistently. For men, hormone balance is just as important. Cloves can help support healthy testosterone levels thanks to their antioxidant power. Balanced hormones mean better energy, better focus, better muscle recovery, and even a healthier libido. Clove water may seem simple, but the benefits reach deeper than most people expect. Number 8. Your skin looks clearer, brighter, and more even. Most people don't think of clove water as a beauty drink, but they should. Cloves are packed with antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress, one of the biggest reasons for dull skin, fine lines, breakouts, and uneven tone. When your body gets more antioxidants, your skin naturally looks fresher and healthier. Clove water also helps your liver and digestive system work better. And when those two organs are clean and functioning well, your skin shows it. Many people notice fewer breakouts, less redness, and a more even glow after drinking clove water for a few weeks. It's like your skin starts reflecting the improvements happening inside your body. Another thing that helps your skin is clove water's antibacterial properties. If your body has high levels of harmful bacteria or inflammation, your skin often reacts with acne or irritation. Drinking clove water reduces those triggers, giving your skin a calmer and clearer appearance. It's a natural way to support both skin health and overall confidence. Number 9. Your breath, teeth, and gums get healthier. Cloves have been used for centuries to freshen breath and support oral health, and clove water keeps that tradition alive. The antibacterial properties help kill the harmful bacteria in your mouth that cause bad breath. Many people notice fresher breath within just a few days of drinking or even rinsing with clove water. Cloves also contain compounds that help reduce gum inflammation. If your gums bleed when you brush or floss, or if they feel sensitive, clove water can help calm that irritation. It reduces swelling and stops harmful bacteria from spreading deeper into the gums. This is one of the reasons cloves are still used in modern dentistry, especially for soothing toothaches. And if you deal with plaque buildup, cloves can help with that too. The antibacterial effect reduces the amount of plaque-causing bacteria in the mouth, which supports cleaner teeth and healthier gums overall. Drinking clove water daily is like giving your mouth a natural cleaning session without adding any chemicals or artificial ingredients. Subscribe now for more daily healthy tips.